Hey, back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome on your Android phone step by step. Keeping your browser updated is very important because updates bring new features, better performance, and important security improvements. First of all, open the Play Store. This is the main app you use to download new apps and update existing ones on your Android device. Now go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type Google Chrome. From the search results, tap on the official Google Chrome app. Now you will see the app page. If an update is available, you'll notice an update button. Simply tap on it to start updating Google Chrome. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, and wait for the update to complete. The update process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the update is finished, your Google Chrome app will be up to date and ready to use with the latest features and security fixes. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials.